So hello guys, how are you all? Full happy, you all must be doing very well. Welcome back to my new video guys. So today's topic is how to download Google Translator on a laptop and PC, okay? So today I am going to show you all a very shortcut way to download Google Translate and display it on your desktop. Alright, so let's quickly start our video. Okay, so first you all need to come to this icon. Okay. After arriving, scroll a little, alright. After scrolling, you will see an option called Translator. Alright, then you have to click on this Translator. After clicking, an interface will appear in front of you, like Google Translator, alright. Okay, so from here, you can translate your content. In any language, it can be done from here. Now, how do we bring it to our desktop? For this, you will see an option on the three dots above, so you need to click on it. After clicking, scroll down a bit and you will see cast, save and share. Okay, so you need to click on it. Here, you will see the option to add shortcut. Create shortcut, okay. Then you have to click on it. After clicking, simply look here and create. Okay, see it has been created. So guys, if you liked our video, please like, subscribe and share the channel. For now, bye bye. See you in the next video.